want to go across to India today. It's Piyush Mishra, who's back with us on this coverage. Piyush, 6 images that tell the whole story today that we've got on our screen right now, from Nitish to Naidu to Yogi to Chirag Paswan to the Samvidhan to the amazing, rousing welcome that the caretaker Prime Minister got in the old Parliament building today. Everyone's got their eyes on every bit of body language today, Piyush.
Well, absolutely, Shiv, and this certainly shows as to how the kind of confidence which the Narendra Modi-led NDA government enjoys, and the party which is right now enjoying, because there are 292 numbers which are there in their kitty, and that is why we also saw how all the ally partners, they came out and they also praised the leadership of Narendra Modi. They said that just because of the charismatic leadership of Narendra Modi, the BJP-led NDA has been able to achieve a majority mark, has been able to get a thumping majority. Now what we are learning is that President of India has invited Narendra Modi, caretaker Prime Minister Narendra Modi, at 6 p.m. He will be coming here at around 6 p.m. Then he will be he will be meeting with President Draupadi Murmu, and then we can expect the other steps to be followed as far as the government formation is concerned. What we are also learning is that day after tomorrow, which is on 9th, at around 6 p.m. The oath-taking ceremony will take place. Before I toss it back to you, Shiv, let me also try to give you a glimpse of from the very place from where I am reporting. That's the Raisina Hill. In few minutes from now, Prime Minister will be crossing that particular area, and then will be entering towards the gate number 2 of President House, and then he will go inside and will meet President. So the process of formation of Modi government, third term of Modi government is going to begin in a few minutes from now. He will reach here at around 6 p.m.
And we will go back to Piyush when that happens. The Prime Minister will be there just before 6 p.m. for that. Poulomi is with us live as well. Poulomi, of these 6 images that I've just listed, and you were looking at them very closely as well, what stands out to you? You know, a lot of people were looking closely at any indications of fractures or fissures or disagreements or lack of stability within the NDA. But today's body language in Parliament sent out a very sort of unequivocal, message of, loyalty, stability, samarthan. How did it look to you?
Well, yes, there was a lot of, body language to read, and that's exactly why we, of course, were privileged enough to be in the Central Hall today in the lobby to watch those proceedings that you watched on TV live. And, from what we saw, from what I caught, Shiv, there was a lot of bonhomie. There was a lot of projection of the fact that this is an alliance that's going to stick together, that this is an alliance that is, completely committed to the cause of the alliance itself. It's like Rajnath Singh said when he moved that resolution to elect Prime Minister Narendra Modi as the leader of the NDA Parliamentary Party, leader of the BJP Parliamentary Party, and leader of the House as well. He categorically stated that this is not an alliance of compulsion, this is an alliance of commitment. Prime Minister Modi also spoke about how pre-poll alliances, this NDA alliance stands out when it comes to pre-poll alliances, because this is an alliance which is stuck together. Many of its original constituents have stayed with the alliance. He recalled several of the old names of George Fernandez, Barasaheb Thackeray, Prakash Singh Badal, Sharad Yadav as well, who were very important and instrumental in bringing this alliance together in the first place, which has seen 3 full 5-year terms and is now entering its 4th full 5-year term. The Prime Minister, of course, laying out a vision for the next 10 years. As he said, I say this very responsibly, not just 5 years, for the next 10 years. You saw, the body language when Chandrababu Naidu was to get up and second the resolution moved by Rajnath Singh. He was to go from behind Prime Minister Modi. Prime Minister Modi got up immediately, moved his chair back and said, just go from here, from right in front of me. You don't have to go from behind me. He moved his chair aside. He patted Chandrababu Naidu as well. Nitish Kumar, in a very surprising gesture, when he, of course, came back having given his samarthan to the resolution almost touched the Prime Minister's feet as well.
Yeah.
A very rare sight, which surprised many of us. And of course, the bonhomie between Prime Minister and Chirag Paswan. Chirag has seen the Prime Minister as a father figure, and the Prime Minister, was all affection for Chirag in several of those moments that we caught there.
You know, where gestures and body language are concerned, if that is what supporters of the NDA or supporters of the BJP were looking for, then today sort of ticked all the boxes. The opposition alliance may have been trying to mock and jeer from the sidelines and hope that there would be some indications of instability or some doubt. Some of them actually are doing that even now. At least on the face of it, the public image of what happened today most certainly sent out a veritable image of stability. Thanks very much, Polami, for putting that into perspective for us. So, Modi 3.0 showcases strength from Parliament Central Hall. That's what the images really tell you. The NDA, under Modi's leadership, convened a crucial meeting with these 292 newly elected MPs, where they unanimously elected him as their alliance leader. Take a look at this detailed report.
स्वागत है भाई, स्वागत है, स्वागत है भाई, स्वागत है।
In a powerful display of unity and resolve, the NDA, under the leadership of Prime Minister Modi, sent a strong message of stability.
एक तरफ एनडीए रखो, दूसरी तरफ भारत के लोगों के सपने और संकल्पों को रखो, तो मैं कहूंगा एनडीए, न्यू इंडिया, डेवलप इंडिया, एस्पिरेशनल इंडिया। और इसी सपने और संकल्पों को पूरा करना, ये हम सबका संकल्प भी है, कमिटमेंट भी है, और हमारे पास रोड मैप भी है।
एनडीए की बैठक में मैं माननीय राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष जी से
Key allies like Naidu and Nitish Kumar ended all doubts about their support for Modi.
बैठक को प्रारंभ करें।
NDA allies unanimously elected Narendra Modi as their alliance leader. JDU chief Nitish Kumar, while endorsing Modi for Prime Minister, expressed confidence of Modi 4.0.
आप जान लीजिए कि कुछ लोग, हम लोगों को तो अब लगता है कि अगली बार जो आप आइएगा ना, तो इस बार हम देखें कि कुछ इधर उधर कुछ जीत गया है, अगली बार सब हारेगा, हमको पूरा भरोसा है।
TDP chief Chandrababu Naidu asserted similar sentiments while extending support to Modi 3.0, calling it the proudest moment of his life.
Today, India is having a right leader, right time. That is Narendra Modi.
Once again, Prime Minister's affection for LJP chief Chirag Paswan was on full display.
मैं चिराग पासवान, मेरी पार्टी लोक जनशक्ति पार्टी रामविलास की तरफ से एनडीए संसदीय दल के नेता पद पर श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के नाम का समर्थन करता हूं।
Janasena chief also garnered praises from the Prime Minister.
अरे जो यहाँ दिखता है ना पवन, ये पवन नहीं, आंधी है।
Modi ji, you truly inspired the nation. As long as you are the Prime Minister of this country, our country will never bow down to anyone, sir.
Other NDA allies also hailed the upcoming Modi Raj.
बाबा साहेब ठाकरे जी के नेतृत्व में हमारे जो गठबंधन हुआ है, ये गठबंधन एक फेविकोल का जोड़ है, ये बिल्कुल टूटेगा नहीं।
On behalf of my party, I support Shri Narendra Modi ji.
With the display of full-fledged samarthan from its allies, the message is clear. Modi 3.0 is rock solid. Bureau Report, India Today.